Want to come be crazy with us at the game at football? Then pay attention.
We have some expectations to help best support our student athletes on the field.
Number 1, we dress to impress. Every home and away game has a theme. We go all out. Woo!
Number 2, want to know where to find us? We sit in the farthest from the gate on the home side. Rule number 3, seniors get the front row. Juniors behind.
Sophomores next. And freshmen at the top. Underclassmen, don't worry. When you're seniors, you'll get to be at the front and run the crazies.
Number 4! No negative cheers to players, coaches, fans, or referees. We like to keep it classy.
Number 5, when the Dragons win, it's time for the Dragon Rush to the field to celebrate.
Exit through the gate to the left of the student section.
Make sure you wait behind the scoreboard until you hear the band play the fight song. Then that means it's time for the Dragon Rush.
Make sure to quiet down to hear Coach Ricconi's game closing speech and hear the ringing of the bell.
Number 6. This is what makes us the best student section in Tennessee. Grab a friend, grab your trash, make sure it goes in there.
Even better would be doing it to the whole home side to show the true pride we have in our stadium.
The last one is important. Support your band, players, cheer, and palm.
See you at the game!